In this video, we'll see verb forms that use some form of na as a helping verb plus the participle of the main verb. This includes na, naghị, nara, and naraghị. There are other na verb forms, but we'll focus on just these four for now. Na plus a participle and naghị plus a participle are in the present tense. They're also progressive, and I'll explain what that means. Na is used to say that something is ongoing or is usually ongoing. It's like saying, I'm doing something. The process is happening now. Or, I usually do something. The process usually happens. Naghị is the opposite of that, and it's used to say that something isn't ongoing or isn't usually ongoing. It's like saying, I am not doing something. The process is not happening now. Or, I usually don't do something. The process doesn't usually happen. Nara plus a participle and naraghị plus a participle are in the past tense. And of course, they're also progressive. Nara is used to say that something was ongoing or was usually ongoing. So it's like saying, I used to do something. The process happened in the past. Or that I usually did something. The process was usually happening in the past. Naghị is the opposite of nara and is used to say that something wasn't ongoing or wasn't usually ongoing. So it's like saying, I didn't used to do something. The process didn't happen in the past. Or that I usually didn't do something. The process wasn't usually happening in the past. Let's move on and see some concrete examples. Na-agba ọsọ is running in the present or usually runs in the present. Naghị agba ọsọ isn't running in the present or doesn't usually run in the present. Nara agba ọsọ used to run in the past or usually ran in the past. Naraghị agba ọsọ didn't used to run in the past, usually didn't run in the past. Na-agba ọsọ, naghị agba ọsọ, nara agba ọsọ, naraghị agba ọsọ. Na-aga ije is walking, usually walks. Naghị aga ije isn't walking, doesn't usually walk. Naraghị ije used to walk, usually walked. Naraghị aga ije didn't used to walk, usually didn't walk. Na-aga ije, naghị aga ije, nara aga ije, naraghị aga ije. Na-enwe ego usually has money. Naghị enwe ego doesn't usually have money. Nara enwe ego used to have money, usually had money. Naraghị enwe ego didn't used to have money, usually didn't have money. Na-enwe ego, naghị enwe ego, nara enwe ego, naraghị enwe ego. Na-eme ihe is doing something, usually does something. Naghị eme ihe isn't doing something, doesn't usually do something. Nara eme ihe used to do something, usually did something. Naraghị eme ihe didn't used to do something, usually didn't do something. Na-eme ihe, naghị eme ihe, nara eme ihe, naraghị eme ihe. Na-eri nri is eating food, usually eats food. Naghị eri nri isn't eating food, doesn't usually eat food. Nara eri nri used to eat food, usually ate food. Naraghị eri nri didn't used to eat food, usually didn't eat food. Na-eri nri, naghị eri nri, nara eri nri, naraghị eri nri. Na-achị ọchị is laughing, usually laughs. Naghị achị ọchị isn't laughing, doesn't usually laugh. Nara achị ọchị used to laugh, usually laughed. naraghị achị ọchị, didn't used to laugh, usually didn't laugh. Na-achị ọchị, naghị achị ọchị, nara achị ọchị, naraghị achị ọchị. Na-ebido ọrụ is starting work, usually starts work. Naghị ebido ọrụ isn't starting work, doesn't usually start work. Nara ebido ọrụ used to start work, usually started work. Naraghị ebido ọrụ didn't used to start work, usually didn't start work. Na-ebido ọrụ, naghị ebido ọrụ, nara ebido ọrụ, naraghị ebido ọrụ. Na-achọ ihe is seeking something, usually seeks or wants something. Naghị achọ ihe isn't seeking something, doesn't usually seek or want something. Nara achọ ihe used to seek something, usually sought or wanted something. Naraghị achọ ihe didn't used to seek something, usually didn't seek or want something. Na-achọ ihe, naghị achọ ihe, nara achọ ihe, naraghị achọ ihe. Na-ekwu okwu is talking, usually talks. Naghị ekwu okwu isn't talking, doesn't usually talk. Nara ekwu okwu used to talk, usually talked. Naraghị ekwu okwu didn't used to talk, usually didn't talk. Na-ekwu okwu, naghị ekwu okwu, nara ekwu okwu, naraghị ekwu okwu. Na-akụ aka is clapping or knocking, usually claps or knocks. Naghị akụ aka isn't clapping or knocking, doesn't usually clap or knock. Nara akụ aka used to clap or used to knock, usually clapped or knocked. Naraghị akụ aka didn't used to clap or knock, usually didn't clap or knock. Na-akụ aka, naghị akụ aka, nara akụ aka, naraghị akụ aka.